welcome back to my channel. My name is Seetal and you're watching Seetal MD. As promised, I am going to be more consistent nowadays with my video. So in this video, I am going to show you how to sew a full Punjabi suit, and I'll walk you through as best as I can. Now I'm going to make more videos of this in the future, so if you did like the content of today's video, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification so that you get notified every time I post. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for returning to watch another video. I appreciate every single one of you, because if not for you, I would not be here today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. For the measurements for the Punjabi suit, these are the measurements that you will need. First off, you need your shoulder measurement. For me, mine is 13.5 inches. The half of that, 6.75 inches bust. I don't like mine too tight, so I'm going to guess mine sits at 37 inches divided by 4 is at 9.25 inches. My waist measurement, I like mine to be a bit loose, so I'm going to say it's 32. Divide that into 4, which is 8. Then you will also need the widest part of your hip. Mine's at 40. So I'm going to divide that into 4 and I will get 10 inches. So you're going to start from your shoulder line there, in the middle of your shoulder line, not at your shoulder tip, just there. And then you're going to go down 8 inches or 7.5, really up to you how deep you want it. And then you will also need the measurement from that shoulder line to your bust line. Mine is about 9.5, and then from there you will need to go down to your waist. Mine's about 15, and then from there you will need to go down to your widest part of your hip. So mine, because I'm sewing mine with sleeves, I will need the measurement, the length of my sleeves. I'm going to keep mine at 13 inches or 14 inches just to be safe. And then I will also need the measurement of my elbow. I'm going to do it at 11 because I like mine to be a bit loose and not too tight, not to fit it. And I'll need to divide that by 5.5. that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with more videos, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!